Hello, this is me. So, step one of making a bug game is get yourself one of these bad boys. So, got this off eBay. It's very nice, all for research. It's got this comic. It's pretty nice. Haven't read it yet. Not be taking that offer. I haven't actually opened one of these yet either. Oh, it's just the shields, and then and a save paper. You don't use the whole. Use the whole thing for that. So here we got these two starter decks, which are actually two half decks. I've got them split here. Let's see, let's get the foil on the front. How do we get some of that? Well, that's about most of it. So one of the things heard about when looking into this game is the wonderfully bonkers names of the cards. For example, Super Explosive Volcanodon. Wonderful. I wonder, Dragonoid, that's like straight from Bakugan. I wonder how, did this come first? Maybe this came first. This was like 2004. Something like that. I like how all the light ones are kind of like these otherworldly, it's all kind of light, angelic, in the sky sort of deal. But these are also just these weird otherworldly things like emerald glass shooting emerald grass. It's a starlight tree just shooting out that light as this like little jellyfish thing. This is a tree, grass. And this thing, like, I guess that's the face. You've got arms, but you can't really tell the shape starting off. You have these goopy guys coming straight for you. And I got those. Some of those were from the booster pack here. And then the rest, what was in the booster pack was, not the same colors, so wouldn't be able to actually play them. This was the rare in the pack. Nightmaster, Shadow of Decay, Masked Horror, Shadow of Scorn, Black Feather, Shadow of Rage. On Ghosts. Aqua Vehicle. Yeah, I wonder, it seems like some of them represent like single characters, like what Magic would do for legendary creatures, but I guess they chose not to do legendaries. Like Rothus the Traveler, like that's one being. It's gotta be. But did differently, made simpler. So also got this. This was eBay. This is from local shop, Heebie-Jeebies. Wow, the numbered straight from the long time ago. 2013. Yeah, this was a $20 little starter pack thing with this cool box. Seems like there's this Rise of the Duel Masters had this dragon, this whole dragon sub theme going on, unless these kind of dragons are just generally in Kaijudo, but I don't know. Got these two bad boys on it. is nice. Never seen the, haven't usually seen the, like the Eastern kind of dragon. It's all like a serpent, but made like all these dark and goopy and shadow bad stuff. Also, coming from Magic, but the premium ones, like on the outside of the case, don't usually have full play sets, because in these rules you can only have up to 4. I mean, up to 3. These are full play sets. Also, I'll tell you, after having all these, which are, this one has an ability as the foil. This one has a little ability, but then most of the creatures are either vanilla or French vanilla with power attacker. And then you get to these and it's like, there's a lot. Very nice. Names also not disappointing. Hammer Dragon Foul. Hammer Dragon Foul Burn. Necro Dragon of Vile Ichor. Cool dudes. Alright, and then most of the reason I'm filming this in the first place, at these, oh, also, some more. Was gonna get these and then these, but then this thing came with 4 of these, so I was gonna just take out these. And none of these. These. Guess I'll just get the sorting. Let's sort them by the color or civilization. They're named here. All right. That's the. Okay, this isn't the rare because I see this peeking around. Yeah, I got the. Does this have the rarity? No, the rarity symbols were on Duel Masters pack, but I guess it's different when they changed it to Kaijudo. Okay, Shield Blast, good, because there's only 2 total Shield Blasts here. Wow. That, love how over the top that is. the comic, and then it has all these missiles strapped to it. It's crashing into this poor fella here. I guess Wooburg order by default. Oh, this is one of the changed ones, isn't it? Not that one. Should be here. It's in the other one. Yeah, I'd read that they'd changed some cards, but yeah. So we've gone from giant insect to mega bug. Gone. Yeah, price up, power down, but with the ability. Yeah, I guess should be interesting trying to mix these together. Skeeter Swarmer. Skeet. Brainjacker. Dread Mask. These are some creature types. 3 mana, 1/1 Death Touch. Nice. Aqua Soldier. Brave Giant. Oh. Regular dude with Double Breaker. He's got I was like putting the faces on things. Ah. Oop. Glu-urrgle. Cyber Lord. Lord isn't a creature type anymore. That was errata in Magic. Bat Breath, I thought it was Bad Breath for a second. Bat's Breath Scaradorable? Oh, there's like, got bats here. Oh, are they? Wow, just like barfing out bats as the thing. Wow. There is an idea. That is certainly an idea I didn't think of. How's that work? How do they how long could they just be chilling in there? It's like being born and living in there until they're blush out. Ugh. Ramp. Noise. Attack raptor. These dinosaurs with helicopter blades and gun turrets. Our good friends. Oh, now it's Super Bazooka. Volcanodon. Wait. Oh. Found some super explosive to Super Bazooka. And just these two down one. And from Dragonoid to Dracon. I get this. Yeah, this is 2004. And then 2012. Bakugan came out. They're like, well, probably don't want to keep Dragonoid as a creature type. So I don't know for real. Oh, is it just number of stars instead of the symbol? Oh, okay. That's simpler. Terror Pit. This was in one of the videos I watched. Very nice. Snitch. Oh. Last Dojo edition. Draglide. This was another one. That one that was already there. It did not have haste though. Actually, maybe it. I just saw it in a video. Oh yeah, it went from Draglide to Draglide the Swiftest. Bringing attack rep. Just zoomed into the art. I got the stats down, but added haste instead of downside of needing to attack. Ooh, that seems like a good one. Also good again. Blinder Beetle. Though I thought those were wheels for a second. Chief Many Tribes. Hydro Spy, another Cyberlord. Council of Logos. Black Feather of Shadow Abyss. Oh, is this? Yeah. Shadow of Rage of Shadow Abyss. Wow, that was a big change. Go from it's like aggressive one costs 3,000. It's like that centaur from Magic. To old draw engine. Wait, was it Aqua Vehicle? Yeah, it was Aqua Soldier. I thought so. Evo Fury. I've seen evolution creatures on one of these. I think I'd read one of those. So maybe they'll be here. Sounds like it. Another blocker. Haven't seen a lot of blockers. Very green. Oh. Dune Gecko. I guess 3 mana, 1,000 haste isn't as bad when you can just attack whoever you want. Wow. These chimeras, man. That's again, used to talk about just picking up the tree and throwing it like it was a twig. Oh, replenish the shield. It's the... Oh, that's the rare? And uncommons after that? Huh. What do you know? That's the closest thing to life gain in the game. Heart of Darkness. Heart of Water. Oh. That's that. This one wants to be in mono darkness. Oh, that's Heart of. Wants to be mono. Oh, let's see if I even have enough cards to do that. All right, on to the 4 of these. Oh man, the name, I can already tell the name has been downgraded with this one. And from Fire Sweeping Burning Hellion to Pyro Trooper. Oh, look at me. Except it wasn't changed at all. Yeah. Except at the best part. Ooh. Eyes in the teeth. First one I've seen under 1,000. Even has anything else even had something 500? Wow. Ouch. Discard still thing here. Another one of our friends, the Dune Geckos. A little hissy. Where was the rare there? Was there a rare? I'm assuming the 3 stars are. Oh, this was, yeah. Marrow Ooze. Ooh. Oh, first zombie. All teeth. That is a mechanic name. That expression as a... These 2 expressions are the most standout so far. Thorny Creeper. Oh, a bear. A berry. Field trap. Oh, hello. A firebird. Enter the battlefield. Give it a boost. Stalker Sphere. Master Nigel. There's the rare. Oh. The end of the turn. It's a little expensive, but could be good. Oh. Super duper. What is it? Earth. The Overlord. Another double breaker shiny door. Shiny. Tap all without blocker. Wow. Cool. Ooh. Beastkin Tribal. Reanimation is back. Now, that's only halfway through these here. Almost read Aquaman. Megabug Rotworm. That seems pretty good. That's better stats than a lot of them so far. Although, I guess powerful attack. They're pretty vulnerable once they're tapped and just done attacking. They'll die to anything. Nice. Breach the Veil. Is that the first green shield blast? For nature. Dream Pirate. Oh, we've got pirates. That was called something else. That was All Teeth. I think on the other one. And they banished themselves at the end of the attack. Huh. Alright. Last pack. Ice Launcher. Again. Quakes the Unclean. This is a common. This is a legend. Quakes the Unclean. Shadow Champion. Battlefield. There's a battlefield. Give another boy death touch until end of turn. Or girl or non-binary friend. Quakes does not discriminate. I see the shiny card in the back. Sprout. Ooh, another Sunshock. Nice. Sky Crushers Elite. Crack the Whip. Ooh. Oh, this is the guy on the box. This is the guy. Ow. That guy. My knee. Switch knees. Another double breaker. Armor Dragon / Beastkin. That's the first dual type I've seen. I think it is. Tatsurian. Doesn't roll off the tongue quite like Pikachu, but they tried. Double breaker. Howitzer. Wow. This battlefield. Banish something with power 4,000 or less. Nice. Who's next? Whenever they win a battle for the first time, untap it. Ooh. Wind Fury. With a sword. Nice. It's pretty good. Oh, another Brainjacker. So there's another. How many times has that actually come up? I think 500. Locker Guard. Oh, that's it. Aggressively cost it. Besides being Taunt Defender. Goes away. But pretty good. Rupture Spider. Wow. Well, that's pretty good. Got some cool stuff. Got some way to do foils is nice. It's pretty neat. we gather the big boys. I can't do that. Nothing in water stood out to me. Oh, I'm sorry. It's so rude. How could I forget Reef Prince Glu-urrgle? 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 Glorgargle? Glurgle? 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 Yeah, not a lot of rares from blue. That must be why. Like a lot of the reds, the names and looks and all the good stuff. Red themes are pretty reliable that way. Oh, no green, no natured rares. Huh. Oh. Did this move? Come on, moved. Hello. Welcome to the D&D pajamas. I didn't realize the lightness civilization pile was out of frame. A lot of, well, take out those, that guy. A lot more darkness rares than the rest. Even though it wasn't in a lot less of the regular ones. How many? Okay, that's 21. Don't know if I have more than 3 anywhere. That can be half. That can be in half a deck. Let's see, workable. Cool. So there's that. Patois. Oh. Got this nifty. Oops. What? Put all the shiny ones here, even though it tells me to only put dragons there, but too late. I don't have enough. You're not a foil, but you still deserve it. But here, pretty good packs from what I can tell. No real idea of how good any of these are, what the secondary market value isn't really any of them, but it's kind of refreshing. Just look at a new game, a fresh pair of eyes once again, instead of the jaded veteran eyes that are all bloodshot from Snail White. I don't know. There we are. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer, 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 glurgle. Shimmer, shimmer. And this guy. Alright. Bourgeois.